Yo guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a short video. It is just an upgrade for your Apple Watch, and it is this golden bracelet and also a cover for the watch itself, which comes with these little stones, and it just gives it a more fancy look for a really cheap price. So if you'd spent like almost all your money on your Apple Watch, this might be an easy way to upgrade that for sure. Looking pretty good, especially for the pricing. It doesn't look as cheap as it actually is. So that's decent and nice to see, just like that. So throw it on your watch if that's something you're looking for. And then we also have the screwdriver to take care of all this little upgrading process. And then we also are getting a little cover for the watch itself. This is what that looks like, so that actually fits up quite nicely as well. So we have like these little stones on the frame, so it goes along, yeah, quite nicely. And that's gonna be it, you guys. So take care. My name is Badger. I'm out, and I will see you around to the next video. Until then, bye bye.